What's the deal, man? Um, Today is a very special day for me, you know what I'm saying? And finna go holler at Mama Dizzy, my brother, my fam, my nigga, Cam Cope, CXD, Cameron Xavier Dansby, the big homie, Nut Dizzy, some people call him, you know. Can't believe time has passed, and it honestly feels like it was just yesterday, you know. So I mean, finna go pay homage to my bro, you know, and show some love. So rest in peace to the homie, man. One time, and just wanna let you know, bro. Just keep looking out for your boy. Keep watching over me. You know what I'm saying? And just gonna try to continue to hold you down. You know what I'm saying?